and this is my best buddy, Axel. Today we're learning the number 10 at the amusement park. Look! 10 colorful balloons floating together. 10 bags of popcorn. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow! The roller coaster has 10 waving flags. Yum! 10 ice cream cones. Look at all those prizes. 10 waiting to be won. You did amazing! 10 out of 10 at the amusement park. Look up! 10 bright fireworks lighting up the sky. Time for one last ride. See you next time, friends. Subscribe for more fun with Manny and Axel. And don't forget to click the link below for coloring books and fun learning activity books. See you next time.